Hi guys, today I'm just going to tell you how to make a quiz or test paper on Google Drive. So first you have to just open your Google Drive, just click on new. Now you have to go on Google Forms, just click on it. Now you'll see something like this at this place. Now here I'm just writing a title over here. मैं यहाँ पे इसका टाइटल लिख रही हूँ जो मुझे टेस्ट बनाना है. You can write any title on which you have to make a quiz or test. Here I'm writing biology test. Okay, biology test. Now in the description I'm writing answer the following questions. Okay, I did it. Now just come on untitled question. Means you have to just write your question here. First we'll just go on this setting option. Setting के option पे जाएंगे हम लोग यहाँ पे. Now here in general some options will come. Collect emails and limit to one response only. You have to click limit to one response only. Now collect emails, or you can just switch off this. I'm switching it off. And now in presentation nothing you have to do. Now in quizzes, make this a quiz. And here an option is coming immediately after each submission. ये आपका क्या करेगा कि जैसे ही आपका टेस्ट कंप्लीट हुआ तो तुरंत आपको स्कोर्स दिखा देगा, आपको कितने मार्क्स मिले. इट विल जस्ट इमीडिएटली शो यू द स्कोर्स आफ्टर कंप्लीटिंग द टेस्ट. So I just want this, and if you are just clicking on later after manual, means after the teacher or the person who is just taking your test will check your test, then only they will just see their marks. So I'm just clicking immediately after test. Now collect emails. Now here first I'm just writing name. The person who is doing this should write his her name, and you have to do it on short answers. Okay, so it should be a short answer. They have to just write their names. Now I did it. Now here a plus option will come. You have to just click on that. Now you have to just write the question which you want to just ask them. So I'm writing here one question. I wrote which question I want to ask. Now here you can just choose options also. There short answer they have to just type the full form. Long answer they have to type the full form, and what long answer it is a long answer. Okay, now you know what is long answer. Now here multiple choice, they have to just click the option. Check boxes is also there. It is like multiple choice only. I'm clicking on multiple choice first. Just backspaces or just delete that. And now here I'm just writing. Now you have to just click on add other and add option. Okay, add option, just cross this other one. Now you have to write the other one answer. I wrote it. Now if you want that this question should be done, they can't leave this question, you can just click on this required option. Or if you just want that if they will leave this question, so it's okay, so you just don't click on required. Now here I got answer key option. Just you have to just write which is the correct answer. So I'm just writing guess, join, test, and track. This is the correct answer, and you have to just mark the points. I'm just giving them 1 point on this. You can just give how much you want, how many points you want. I'm just giving them 2 now. Now how to just decorate this, because it is only purple, and if you just want to just make it a little bit attractive, you can just click on this palette, painting palette, color palette, and now you can just see how many means options are coming to just add backgrounds. You can choose an image also from anywhere on Google. It will just go on Google illustrations also, you can just click on that also. Okay, so just you can upload from your drive also, you can photos also. Now let's go on themes only. Now I'm just doing this one, insert. Now it is inserting. Now you can see